Today I want to show you 5 amazing flip out ideas for your junk journals, just using, you know it, scraps. You'll already have them. So junk journals have been getting really popular amongst crafters for a very good reason. They're a great way to express your creativity. Whatever style you have, you can use different materials, you can use different techniques. But sometimes it's tough to get started or find any inspiration. I think we've all been there, staring at a blank page, what can I do? And then you just get stuck in a rut. You do the same old layouts and designs over and over again. And that's exactly what I want to share some ideas with you today. I'm going to try and help you just take your junk journals to the next level. So how do you add depth and interest to your pages? The truth is, it's not about using fancy materials or complicated techniques. It's about thinking outside the box and finding new ways to use these materials you already have. So let's get on with it, and I'll show you some ideas that may help you give that extra little wow factor to your junk journals. So they're very easy, very adaptable, and more importantly, you can use some scraps. Okay, so I've got 2 journals to show you the examples in, and then we're going to do one together. And I hope you like the one I've chosen out of the 5. So the first one, I've put little tabs in this book to show you because, you know, I won't be able to find the page. Now this journal is one that I made with Creating with Jovi's I Love You Very Much. I'm sure that's what it's called. And I did this when I was on her design team, and it was such a cute kit to work with. So if you would like to see this, it is in my Etsy shop, and I will leave the link to Jovi's Etsy shop too, so that you can go and see what a beautiful little kit it is. Obviously hers isn't grungy. I have deliberately printed on sort of shabby paper, so you know it's a lot darker than what it would be. So for my first interactive page, I've done an accordion flip out. Now you've probably all done these. You just get one sheet of paper and you create a flip out like that. If you just glue it down on 3 sides, you can also do a tuck spot. Nice and easy. Everybody can do that one. And you can pop a little paper clip on, you don't need to. You could decorate the paper clip up, you could dangles on it, all sorts. I'm just showing you the actual flip outs. So the second one I want to show you in this book is this, a little pocket flip. So this one flips out for more writing space. I have just made this and put it in. So these are extras to what you'll see on the Etsy shop. So I've attached it with some fabric and it just flips like that. But that's not all. It also has a secret little booklet inside it. How cool is that? And you can't see it. So that's a lovely little hidden spot for journaling in. And that's just an envelope, the corner of an envelope. Easy peasy. So that's out of that book. And as I say, they are extras to what is already on my Etsy shop. I just needed somewhere to put my ideas in, because this one is quite full. This is one I'm working on at the moment. So for my 3rd little tuck spot, flip out, happy little moments. And I love this. I've altered an old address book and just created this, and it was super fun. So the first little flip out I made in this one was a little fold out flap, that's all. Now for those of you who ask me what I do with like the half pages that I have in my journals, you know, when you've got like the big page one side somewhere. I don't know where the big side is. It's somewhere in here. There's only one signature. It can't be very far. There it is. So this is my full page here. So I had a little bit of a page. And so what I do is I just add a flip out or something to it. So lots of writing space on there. And then I just did a collage on the front. Very simple, but just interesting. The second one is this little flip here. So again, this was just a tiny little bit of a page that was left over. And this is something that we will do some more of if you want to. And I attached some music paper to it and then put an extra piece on top to make a strong pocket. And you can just pop anything you like into this little pocket. I thought the photo went quite nicely. So that was another one. And number 5 is this hidden compartment. And number 5, this is the one we're going to do together because it looks easy. It is easy. To be honest, they're all very easy. And I put a strip of paper on one side, again, on one of my little half pages, little flip out here. And then on the other side, a little flip out that goes the other way, but also is a pocket. I know. So super cool. I love these interactive little flips and folds. So I've got out this journal, which is finished, but I can always add another little flip out. And I've put a mark where I think I can put one. I've just had a quick look. So this one is actually another one that's in my Etsy shop. All my journals are in my Etsy shop. It's how I keep my videos going, my free videos. So if you're looking for a journal, pop over and have a look. There's a few in there. Okay, so this is the bit. This is the page we're going to decorate on, which is a half of a page. Another idea for them. For them. And I'm going to use this ledger that I've printed onto coffee-dyed paper. It's actually packaging paper. So when you don't use kits anymore, you have to get inventive. So first of all, we're just going to glue that down onto there. Let's just mark that first bit. A bit bigger than that, a bit more than that, I think. And pop that on. And we want to fold it up, so that's fine, like that. And then what you do is you flip it over and put the other one on the other side, like this. But you only do your gluing very badly because you want to put a pocket. And it can be a hidden pocket if you like your hidden pockets like me. Just pop it in there like that. Okay, it's no good. I've got to take my jumper off again. Honestly, how many times have I had to take this jumper off and on and off and on? Okay, so that's it. All we need to do now is fold it up just like this. And fold it up like this. You can write on them. You can use writing paper. You can use whatever you've got. And then find a little tag or something. I don't know what this is. This is on my desk. We'll just pop that in. And you've got another secret little space in there. So obviously you can use whatever paper you've got. I just use these because this is a grungy journal and I like things to be a bit shabby. So there we go. So that's an added bonus into this journal, which is in my Etsy shop. She's a cutie. I love this one. Loads and loads of writing space in here. Loads of flips. Oh, there's another example of a flip out. So this one just flips like this and it's got a different fold. So there you go. There's a bonus for you if you hung around this long. That's it. I hope you've enjoyed these flip out ideas and that you're feeling inspired to try them out for yourself. Remember, junk journal is all about experimenting and being creative. So try new things. Thanks so much for watching and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye.